Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do fry my bacon. To start with, you need a very hot pan, and for me, don't use oil because I believe bacon has its own oil. So I just add the bacon strips to the hot pan and they'll start browning. Just that, they'll brown on both sides, but I have to keep turning. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to give this video a thumbs up, and to share this video with your friends. And please don't forget to come back to watch more videos.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.